Welcome to the learning graveyard. What's cooking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Learn. Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Learn, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Learn.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist, is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is...
pour water down a string. To view our what to get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required. There you have it.
Oh, cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Whoa. Wow. Wasn't that incredible?
Yeah.
The science behind the experiment. When you put the string into the measuring cup filled with water, the water sticks to the string, also known as adhesion, soaking it. As you slowly pour the water, the added molecules cling to the molecules on the string and to each other with cohesion. The force of gravity pulls the water down the string.
Huh?
Wow, that was exciting.
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.